Today I am going to show you how Salesforce Debug Log Beautifier works. So the very first thing, you have to add this Chrome extension from Chrome Web Store, and after that you have to go to Salesforce and open the extension, and from here very first thing you have to do, deploy the prettier class and deploy to org. Okay, now from developer console I am going to open anonymous window, and from here I have a pre-written code. I am going to run it. So here I am showing 5 users information instead of system debug. So what we are using here, console.log users. So you can pass any kind of data types, okay, whether it is object, boolean, string, anything, a complex wrapper class, you can use it. And you can see you can also pass a level with any kind of data types. Okay, now I am going to execute it, and once here you can see that a new debug logs is here. Now I am gonna click it. You can see that it is showing 5 users information, for example 1, and for example 2 it is showing the level first, then 5 users information. So it's very easy. You do not need to look into the messy debug logs. Here you can see it's not readable. So that is very simple to use. So another example I am going to show you. Okay, I copy the code and I am going to run it from here. Okay, so we are going to show 5 accounts information with their contacts, and we are using here system debug. Okay, and just run it. Okay, now if I go there, you can see it is only showing the account information. No contacts are there, because this is the limitation of system debug. It will not show you the child records, and also other also there are other limitations. So once I click on debug only, you can see it is showing only a single line. Okay, if the characters are more than 512, then it will be truncated and it not readable. Okay, so that is the reason always better to use console log to see the whole information. So let me go to anonymous window, and instead of system debug, let me use console log. Okay, now let's print. Okay, now you can see that we can see 5 accounts information and also their contacts information. So no data will be missed if you use console log. So at the left side you can see recent debug logs. All the items will be shown here. In the middle you will see all the logs information, and at the right side it will show the governor limits. Like you can see that one SQL query is used here, and 14 rows here for accounts and contact. So I guess it will make your development experience more smooth. Okay, and you will see the formatted data with color code, syntax, and yeah. Now I am going to show you another feature, which is start polling. So you can see that 5 seconds and 10 items are set here. So after 5 seconds it will auto refresh and it will show 10 JSON debug logs. So you do not need to click any buttons or refresh the page to see logs. Just it will refresh after each 5 seconds. So you can stop it here and auto refresh. So if the auto refresh is enabled, if you just come to this page, it will give auto refresh. Okay, and you can only for once, and if you come back again, then it will do another auto refresh. Okay, you can start, you can make it disable here, so it will not do auto refresh once you visit here, and you have to do manual refresh if you do disable it. So I guess that's all about the extension, and I believe this will improve your development experience. So enjoy the extension. Bye bye.